after the MPT, what was the next talk then?
Alright. NPT. You see, after that, like basically, after that, every morning we used to, after party, we used to raise it, isn't it? Like, after we come from party, we keep our next party, we just start drink again and reason.
Yeah.
So the idea them forward up. But staying in that said to me, say, yo, no pussy test shot in, bro, but you need a carpet slang, bro. You see me? The dog say, you need a carpet slang. I say, I find it, man. I said, I find it.
Yeah.
I say, I find it. But how me go by them things, you know, I really like pressure my brain, like same time to say, yo, I find it. No, you can't do that. You say, now go find it. You have to make it flow natural. I'm going to tell you how I find that now. I run like a G said that to me like that day, yeah. Today that be Thursday. Yeah, we just talk in general. Today not necessarily Thursday still, but just say. You see me? Like him just say to me Thursday, you see boy, next Thursday, him say to me Thursday morning, because we go Lagos Street Wednesday. And like him say to me Thursday morning. You see by next Thursday our pins just a juggle natural.
Yeah.
And something just flashing in my mind. I'm saying, this is dancehall. I'm say it. All goosebumps take my man. Me I say, yo, I hit this, you know, father. But if you say it to him in my mind, me I say, no, I hit this, our next big slang this. This is dancehall. Father, and to me, this is dancehall. Bigger than no pussy test to me. You see me, because believe me.
Okay. I'll tell you, since we're talking and I've been around a long time, you see, no pussy test, you brought it back into dancehall as in Dayuta, because that's a thing that's been around from 80s.
Yeah, don't get me wrong.
You brought it back into,
I'm
into the people's mind.
Don't get me wrong, and like around 2 weeks ago, I see that video, father. And I say, Jaja. I see the video and I say, Jaja. Every day there, no. The artist name, I say the name wrong, correct me. Frisco Benji or Crisco Benji, him name?
Risco Benji.
Frisco Benji. Him.
Yeah.
Like, I literally see a video. The man I see, no pussy test. And I look on the video and I say, booklet, I say, oh.
Yeah.
See music and great mind. Remember, my father, I never ever see that video they yet, you know, never. I see it, say that way, just say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I gotta take it from me. I have say, yo, Ray, but me, you know, and me make.
Put it back.
Yeah, if I say, yo, you see me? Believe me.
But you see, this is dancehall now. You that. You know what I mean? I didn't hear anybody come up with I didn't hear.
No, man, this is like dancehall, different, man. And no boy, none of them can take that, you see me? This is dancehall, different. So this is dancehall, selector play. You see that? Father, 50 years from now, 100 years from now, father. Landmark, father, I tell you.
How I know that those two right there are big, you're the first voice you hear in the music video with Dexta Daps.
So slow motion.
Slow motion.
Yeah, father, I watch it. All that. And no joke thing that no father. Yeah, man, look how much MC there in Jamaica, the world night, dancehall. There's pretty much MC there in a dancehall, father. And who them send for do that, father? Just who them send for? Just think about it, no, father.
Yeah.
Big up Dave Kelly and big up Killer and big up Cham. You see me, and big up Dexter. But me just pre what me I see. Much MC there in the world.
How did that situation come together?
Situation. Basically, still, you know, say, Killer, you know, say Killer with G, though. So, you know, say Killer, they are fully active Tuesday with Tuesday and thing, man. Killer and Cham link, you see me, so. Cham forward, I want to event them and I eat them and thing. So, Cham, I hear the thing, them. You see me, you don't know Cham and my father have a connection from a longer time, you see me. Dave Kelly, likewise, you see me. But Killer make him know, say, yo, them youth here. You see me? Them youth here, you see me? So Cham see the whole style, you see me? And the energy just mesh, you see me? Me I tell your father, right now me I think in my brain to tell you how it happen, but me can't even think. It just happen natural, father.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, and like, Cham just see the energy and say, you know, so them youth energy pure. You see me, likewise, Cham them energy pure, Dave Kelly them, you see me? And I just there home one night, randomly. You see me, and Stay and he text me and I say, you know, say, G them say, yo, this is dancehall, them want it in a day. Them want it interest song. You see me? But at the moment, me dey upon some black, but nice and be a thing so. They must say they more me like send a voice note. You see me? Like send a voice note ASAP. But like which part me there, me never get look on the phone to see so more some opportunity can pass in. Just say, you know. So I just did it on the black come up on, but the music I play and thing and I not really focus on the phone. So like the G that send me a text on 9:30, 10 o'clock. I see a text. And be a call dog so here. You see me Sean Bossy, big up Sean Bossy. That a Cham G, you see me? G up around Cham to, you see me? Sean Bossy link stay and I call Steny. Steny I call me, but none of them not get me. So I do see the missed call and text them. You see, Jaja, what go on? Shout Steny dog, see you know, see you. Shama see you more do the intro for his song. Not only Cham, Dave Kelly say, yo, someone the song. Someone the song start. I should say, sorry. Someone the song start. This is dancehall. Selector, play. Father. You see, I'm going to go so boom and send the voice no father. End up that, I never the voice note first, I send you. The video shoot, I go first. My correction, video shoot, I go first. But like, do you say it in a video? It never sound good. So I saw now they must say, yo, send the voice note.
Send it back.
You see me? Yeah, so I send the voice note. It's a history, man. Believe me. Fun.
Big. Because when you watch a video, you hear the music playing in the background, but the first voice you hear, Brandon.
It's a big look, man. Give thanks to the opportunity we get.
For sure. And I think a lot of people, now that we're sitting down and doing the interview, now a lot of people are going to put it back together and realize, say, it was you that was in the beginning.
Yeah, because most people don't really know. And previous interview, I dig up and I don't know how I forgot to talk about that. Yeah, but, yeah, man, I mean, man.
Yeah.
This is dance. Selector, play. Wow. I was sound the same way, like how it sound on the audio, the video. You see me? Auto-tune thing, a natural voice, man. You see me?
You know. You said Killer. You guys are linking with Killer. How did you even link with Killer in the first place?
Yo, honestly, majority I link them when I dance and now, I'm not gonna lie. Father, Steny. You see me? Father, I'm just jump up, I'm anti-social, no father. I don't want to.
Your filings his son, what do you expect?
Alright, see it? I'm anti-social. You see me, but I always know somebody have to change that at one point still. Right now, I'm zero that now. Social.
Yeah.
I'm anti-social again. You see me?
Yeah.
Steny, every link. Yeah, because I just jump out. I mean, Steny apart. If Steny move, dog, I say, Brandon, I want you know this a G. And I say, I'm there. I say, no. I want you know them. See them love for them, give me them for give you. You see me? Say, dog, I say, yo.
Follow through.
Everybody. Not everybody still, but most people. Steny that say, yo, Brandon this, and if you know him, next thing, you see me, new generation. You see me? Yeah, so that and first time here, Killer still know. I'm a party, I'm a birthday party, and so fortunate G forward. Because like G, I hear me name one thing, you see me? And G forward on party. You see me? And like I'm there, in party, I'm see G. I say, I might not see you. Because he really G. I'm always a see G more than once, but every time I see him, I might not say go heal him, and I might not say, don't heal him. Because you know Killer thing already, man.
You have to, boss, you have to know.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You have to know.
So, from birthday, you know, finally go hear the G, and G, I say, yo. And the reception I get, I say, yo, the G energy different. Because even before I meet the G, everywhere I go, like I say, yo, big up the G, you see me? Big up the General, you see me? Before me even know the G in person, a certain way. So, like, the G, I see them thing there, you see me? I say, you know, say it there. You see me? G, I say, yo, that youth energy different. So, basically, that's thing.
Real General.
Real IG, that.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.